Hey guys, quick little update for today. It is Wednesday morning this week. This is take number 32, so props to Berto because I can't talk on camera. We just finished up this Trackhawk right here. Performance TV.
Follow all of us.
Did a quick little suspension package from B Woody, front lip, and we just got some new wheels put on. Check those out, pretty solid.
At the shop, the Trackhawk we just finished. This thing's sweet.
Yeah.
Suspension and there we go. Yeah, this thing is sweet.
About to put our 900 horsepower package on it soon.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just waiting on some parts to come in, but coming soon. Stay tuned.
Meanwhile, we have Wally over here fixing his vet. We apologize for the camera quality. GoPro went south.
I'll wait 15 minutes, let the Tesla warm up.
The Tesla? What?
It's an electric car warm up.
A sheesh?
I need the seats to be warm. Go get in there in this brick.
I thought it. Yeah.
So,
Here, you know what? I'm gonna go.
get warmed up.
You just turn it on from your phone?
Yeah.
Wow. You know what that sounds like to me? It sounds like rich people problems. So I gotta go outside and 1, 2, 3 on the cutlass, and maybe it'll turn on.
That sounds like cutlass problems, bro. That
Yeah.
You don't need to have, but you choose to have.
Nah, actually, I do need to have it right now because I don't got another vehicle.
Berto owns 2 other cars. They're just broke too.
Yeah, and
Berto's in the business of owning broke cars. Like, it's not a great idea.
the cutlass is half broken. It still works. Shout out to the reliable small block Chevy. All right, show us the damage.
So we got one head off. I gotta pop the other one off real quick, but this is what was going on. Just pushing the head gasket.
Oh no.
And this, yeah.
So for everybody that doesn't know, if that was the fail, what would happen?
It would have it would have overheated. Probably it could f the head up or mess the head up, mess the block up. Anything. It depends on what's going on when it happens. We caught this with it parked in the shop, so it
That's
could be
good.
a different story at wide open. Good one. Girl. Head gaskets was leaking.
I put pressure to it.
Look.
Yeah, buddy.
See the one I took on?
Damn. Oh.
On.
That's the good.
The head gasket? Yeah, 7 layer. Just gotta work it to get it off.
And then we just tuned a 2020 Charger Scat Pack yesterday. We did headers, catless, PCM unlock with HV tuners. Tune, baseline was 420, and we picked up just about 45 wheel horsepower. It's pretty decent for just headers. We got packages for the 392s and Trackhawks, so just hit me up. We got a lot of stuff for those. We got a CTSV just dropped off. We're doing a bolt-on pump gas setup. It's just cam headers, pulley, cooling mods. Should make some decent power. It's an unmolested car, bone stock right now. So, interested to see how that goes. Should come out pretty nice.
That's fun. Alright. Do a little walk around real quick.
What's up, guys? Quick little update. It is February 18th. It's about 11:30. We're closed today, actually, but I am on the way in to receive a C7Z that's coming from Florida and a V2 that's being dropped off by another customer. And the weather is horrible. I'll show you this dedication on what I am actually doing right now. Like, it is straight horrible outside. Traffic is moving slow. I'm doing like 35 miles an hour. But nobody's at the shop. I'm the only one gonna be there, and I gotta get this car off of a 5-car hauler. So yeah, just a quick update on what's going on. I'll make some more videos and keep you guys updated as I go, and we'll go from there. But till then, let me get back to driving my truck because this is pretty dangerous right now. So update you guys later. Okay guys, so I made it. I'm here. The shop is like snowed out. Here's our first victim I came to get. Customer just got here and dropped this one off. Just went ahead and shoveled that out a little bit so we could get it inside. And yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on the next one. C7Z06 is the other one that's coming. Like I said, one's a V2, one's a Z06. So hopefully that one gets here soon so I can go home because it's cold. All right, guys, so update. It is now 4:10 in the afternoon. I am on my way home. It's still snowing. The weather's still horrible here. So I was unable to receive the C7 that's coming on the truck from Florida. The truck is here in Maryland, but due to the weather, the driver pulled over and does not want to deliver or go further today, which I could understand. But I did receive the V2, which was the other car that was being dropped off. That one's in the shop. And I went ahead and just took the extra time since I was in the shop alone and not much was really going on today to actually just work on the C5, which we are literally like 29 days from TX2K, and we are just getting started on getting the car together. So just an update there on what's going on. I'm in the truck. I am
going home. Yeah, so I'll update you tomorrow on what's going on with the C7 delivery. Hopefully we can get that thing off the truck, and some more of the other builds that's going on around the shop that we also just got in this week. All right.